Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel. Today we are starting the countdown of the top 5 motorhomes of 2025. At number 5 we have the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome, a luxury machine that blends German engineering with comfort and futuristic design. The exterior is sleek and aerodynamic, with chrome accents and signature LED headlights that give it a bold presence on the road. Inside, it feels like a luxury apartment with leather seating, ambient lighting, and digital cockpit displays. The motorhome comes with expandable slide-outs, a full kitchen with induction cooking, a queen bed, and a bathroom that even offers heated flooring. Powered by a strong turbo diesel engine with Mercedes, adaptive cruise control and lane assist, it is as smart to drive as it is to live in. Add solar panels and an eco-mode system, and you have a motorhome that is both modern and sustainable. Mercedes opens our list with a perfect balance of technology and elegance. At number 4 is the 2025 GMC Luxury Motorhome, a giant designed for those who want size and strength without compromising comfort. GMC's design focuses on space with an extended body and multiple slide-outs. The interior offers a large living lounge, cinema-style entertainment, and a kitchen that feels like home. With heavy-duty suspension and a reliable V8 diesel, it is built to handle long highways and mountain roads. GMC delivers a tough exterior but a warm, family-friendly living space inside, making it a favorite for cross-country travelers. Moving to number 3, the Ferrari Luxury Motorhome 2025. Yes, Ferrari has stepped into the motorhome world and brought with it Italian design flair. Sharp edges, aerodynamic curves, and red accents scream Ferrari DNA. Inside, you find sport-inspired luxury, including leather bucket seating, advanced infotainment, and a bedroom that feels like a private suite. The performance is unmatched in this category, delivering speed and handling no other motorhome can match. Ferrari proves that motorhomes can be as exciting as supercars. At number 2, we place the GMC Savannah 2026 Luxury Edition, redesigned with modern lines and futuristic interiors. Unlike traditional vans, this Savannah is a full luxury motorhome with smart automation. The cabin features voice-controlled systems, reclining seats, and a convertible lounge that transforms into a full sleeping area. With hybrid technology and solar charging, it is one of the most eco-friendly designs on the list. Finally, at number 1, we have the Kenworth T2000 double-floor motorhome, 2025. This is a beast of engineering, with 2 complete living levels on wheels. The exterior looks like a mega truck fused with a luxury mansion. Inside, you will find multiple bedrooms, a master suite, 2 kitchens, a lounge, and even space for a mini gym. With a powerful heavy-duty engine, advanced air suspension, and a strong chassis. At number 4, we have the Lamborghini Motorhome 2025. And yes, it is just as wild as it sounds. Lamborghini has taken its iconic supercar DNA and transformed it into a motorhome that looks like a spaceship on wheels. With sharp edges, aggressive LED styling, and scissor-inspired entry points, it is pure Italian drama. Inside, the design is futuristic with sports seats, Alcantara finishes, and a digital cockpit that feels straight out of a hypercar. The performance is equally extreme, with a V12 hybrid setup delivering massive horsepower while still offering advanced handling for such a large machine. The living space may be smaller compared to others on this list, but it screams exclusivity with luxury sleeping quarters, a modern kitchenette, and entertainment systems designed for high-tech comfort. Lamborghini proves that motorhomes can be both fast and fashionable. At number 3 sits the Ferrari Luxury Motorhome 2025, a bold creation that carries Ferrari's sleek, aerodynamic curves and signature red style. It blends sporty performance with refined interiors, featuring leather bucket seating, high-end multimedia, and a private suite that makes travel feel like luxury racing. Ferrari has created something rare and powerful, showing that supercar makers can redefine the motorhome class. Moving to number 2, we find the GMC Savannah 2026 Luxury Edition, redesigned with futuristic proportions and modern interiors. With expandable slide-outs, voice control systems, reclining lounges, and hybrid power technology, this Savannah is both eco-friendly and spacious. It's built for long journeys with family comfort in mind, providing a mix of technology and practical design. The Savannah offers the reliability of GMC engineering while giving travelers the convenience of a smart, energy-efficient motorhome that feels ahead of its time. Finally, at number 1, the Kenworth T2000 double-floor motorhome 2025 takes the crown. This massive machine is not just a motorhome, it is a two-story mansion on wheels. Multiple bedrooms, dual kitchens, a lounge, and even a gym are part of its vast interior. The structure is designed with expandable sections that make it even larger once parked, providing a full residential feel. With heavy-duty truck power, air suspension, and unmatched durability, the Kenworth is built for those who want the ultimate road-dominating experience. It combines practicality with sheer extravagance, making it the true king of motorhomes in 2025. From the futuristic Lamborghini to the elegant Ferrari, the innovative GMC Savannah, and the gigantic Kenworth, this lineup shows just how far motorhomes have evolved. Each one represents a unique vision of travel luxury, but only one stands at the very top. At number 3 sits the Porsche Motorhome 2025, a bold and unexpected step from the legendary performance brand. Porsche has always been known for precision engineering and sleek design, and this motorhome carries that legacy into the world of luxury travel. The exterior is unmistakably Porsche, with smooth aerodynamic curves, wide air intakes, and a futuristic profile inspired by the Taycan and Cayenne. It looks more like a luxury sports SUV stretched into a home on wheels. Inside, the driver's cockpit is pure Porsche with a curved digital display, leather sport seats, and a multi-function steering wheel that delivers the familiar performance feel. The living area combines elegance with practicality, featuring a convertible lounge with modular furniture, a compact but high-tech kitchen, and a double bed with hidden storage. Power comes from a hybrid drivetrain designed to deliver both long-range efficiency and sporty acceleration. Porsche has created a motorhome that blends racing DNA with modern comfort, proving performance and luxury can live together on the open road. At number 2, we find the GMC Savannah 2026 Luxury Edition, completely reimagined with futuristic styling and advanced features. The new design uses bold lines, larger dimensions, and a focus on space optimization. Step inside and you'll find smart voice-controlled systems, reclining lounge seating, and expandable slide-outs that transform the interior into a spacious living zone. The kitchen is fully equipped with induction cooking and ample storage, while the sleeping area offers flexible arrangements for families or long-distance travelers. GMC has paired this comfort with a hybrid power system and solar charging capability, making the Savannah both eco-friendly and reliable for extended journeys. Built for families and explorers, it delivers a perfect mix of practicality and technology. Finally, at number 1, the Kenworth T2000 double-floor motorhome. 2025 dominates the list. This isn't just a motorhome. It is a full-scale residence built on a truck platform. With 2 levels of living space, it offers multiple bedrooms, dual kitchens, a spacious lounge, and even a small gym, making it feel more like a rolling mansion than a vehicle. The expandable walls increase interior space dramatically once parked, providing unmatched comfort on the road. Powered by a heavy-duty engine and supported by advanced air suspension, it ensures smooth driving despite its massive size. The Kenworth T2000 is built for those who want luxury, strength, and presence all in one, truly earning the crown as the king of motorhomes in 2025. From Porsche's refined performance to GMC's futuristic family design and Kenworth's towering dominance, this countdown shows how motorhomes are becoming the ultimate luxury lifestyle. At number 2, we have the Lexus Motorhome 2025, a luxurious masterpiece that blends Japanese craftsmanship with modern innovation. Lexus has long been known for refined comfort and attention to detail, and this motorhome captures that philosophy perfectly. The exterior features a bold spindle grille, sleek aerodynamic lines, and chrome accents that give it a commanding yet elegant presence on the highway. The LED lighting setup adds both safety and style, making it stand out at night. Step inside and you are greeted with the kind of luxury Lexus is famous for. The interior is finished with hand-stitched leather, real wood panels, and customizable ambient lighting. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a large digital cluster, voice-controlled navigation, and advanced driver assist technologies, creating a smooth and stress-free driving experience. In the living area, Lexus has designed a space that feels like a premium hotel suite. There is a modular lounge with reclining seats, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and a kitchen fitted with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop and a full refrigerator. The sleeping quarters feature a plush queen-size bed with memory foam, designed for maximum comfort during long journeys. Even the bathroom has luxury touches such as a rainfall shower and heated flooring. Under the hood, The Lexus Motorhome is powered by a hybrid drivetrain that provides both efficiency and strong performance. Lexus has engineered it with an adaptive suspension system to ensure a smooth ride, even on rough roads. Safety features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors make it easy to handle despite its size. On top of that, roof-mounted solar panels supply supplemental energy, making it a smart and eco-conscious choice for long-distance travelers. Finally, at number 1, we have the Kenworth T2000 double-floor motorhome 2025, a machine that truly redefines road luxury. This enormous 2-level motorhome is designed like a mansion on wheels. The interior is vast, with multiple bedrooms, dual kitchens, a large lounge, and even a small gym. Expandable sections increase the living space dramatically once parked, making it feel like a permanent residence. The attention to detail is remarkable, from premium materials to smart automation features that control lighting, climate, and security. The Kenworth T2000 is powered by a heavy-duty engine capable of handling its size with ease, supported by advanced air suspension that ensures stability on highways. Built for endurance and extravagance, it is more than a motorhome, it is a rolling palace. This is why the Kenworth T2000 stands tall as the number 1 motorhome of 2025. At number 1, we have the Toyota Luxury Motorhome 2025, a groundbreaking creation that combines Japanese reliability with modern luxury. Toyota has always been a brand trusted for durability and efficiency, and in this motorhome, they've brought those qualities together with a level of sophistication that rivals the very best in the world. The exterior is bold and futuristic, with smooth lines, chrome detailing, and a wide front fascia that gives it presence on the road. LED lighting runs along the edges for a striking nighttime signature, while the overall design emphasizes aerodynamics and strength. Step inside and the Toyota Luxury Motorhome feels like a 5-star apartment on wheels. The driver's cabin is equipped with a wide digital cluster, advanced navigation, and Toyota Safety Sense features such as adaptive cruise control and lane assist. For the living area, Toyota has maximized space with expandable slide-outs that transform the lounge into a wide and comfortable environment. The lounge is fitted with reclining leather sofas, ambient lighting, and a home theater system that makes long trips feel entertaining and relaxing. The kitchen is designed with practicality in mind, but still carries premium features: a full refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and smart storage solutions ensure that cooking on the road feels seamless. In the sleeping quarters, Toyota provides a king-size bed with memory foam, side cabinets, and panoramic windows for natural light and ventilation. The bathroom is equally impressive, offering a rainfall shower, modern vanity, and heated flooring, making every detail feel luxurious. Underneath all this luxury, the Toyota Motorhome is powered by a hybrid drivetrain designed for efficiency and long-range travel. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide additional energy support, while a powerful battery system ensures all appliances run smoothly without needing constant external hookups. Toyota's adaptive suspension system makes driving comfortable, absorbing bumps and keeping stability even at highway speeds. This motorhome is not only about comfort, but also about sustainability. With eco-friendly engineering and reduced emissions, it sets a new standard for responsible luxury travel. Toyota has managed to create a vehicle that balances practicality, green technology, and elegance, earning it the number 1 spot. The 2025 Toyota Luxury Motorhome is more than just transportation, it is a lifestyle statement. It proves that Toyota's philosophy of reliability and innovation can extend beyond cars and trucks into the world of motorhomes. Whether for families or adventurers, it delivers a complete experience of mobility, comfort, and peace of mind.